Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Robert and I'm back again with another review. So today I'm going to teach you guys on this thing that always troubles you. If you have a phone that says your Google Play Store has stopped working, unfortunately, but fortunately I have the exact remedy for you guys to do. Okay, once again, this is your boy Robert and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, watch out this video. I'm going to teach you how to solve that problem. So all you need to do is to download another Google Play service on your phone. That will help you to be able to download applications on your phone, because if your Google Play has unfortunately stopped, you may find it hard for you to download this any application. Okay, so as you can see, the website, I've posted it down there on the description for you guys to follow up. So this is the website. The name is Firmware A Mobile. So once you reach on that website, you just scroll down to the link, download Play Store there. So once you click on that download Play Store, it will automatically redirect you to the download page. There we are, Play Store for Android 4.0. So once you click on that option, the Play Store will automatically download on your phone, and it's that easy, my friends. Don't get bored, don't get weary and wondering, hey, my phone is not working, how am I going to solve this? So this is your solution. As you can see, the software is downloading. It is downloading. So after it has finished, you simply open it. You simply open it and continue to download anything that you need on Play Store. As you can see, my WhatsApp is already downloading, my Facebook and every other, and the application is working smoothly. It is not stopping, unfortunately. So these guys are real, they're legit, and make sure you do this correctly. Okay, once again, it's your boy Robert and I'm back again today. So cheers, peace out.